Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Morning we did this. Did you write the answers?
Yes, my 27th lesson completed.
Ma'am, your screen sharing is stuck, ma'am.
Yeah. Did you write this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Did you write the next B also?
Yes, ma'am. We have
Completed.
Let's go to
next lesson.
punctuations. Yeah. Sharwani, what do you know about punctuations?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, punctuation marks means question mark, full stop,
And Pranavi?
comma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What are punctuation marks? Why do we need punctuation marks?
Ma'am, we
Because
need punctuation marks to
To
form
make
a
the
sentence.
sentence clear, ma'am. To
Ma'am.
form a sentence right.
Ma'am, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, comma.
Comma.
Yeah. So all of you have little bit
Semicolon.
idea about what are punctuation marks, when to use punctuation marks, at what type of, during what type of sentences we need to use which punctuation mark. So all of you have got brief idea about that. Correct the errors in the use of punctuation and as well as capital letters. Yeah. Saturday, what is the mistake in this?
Ma'am, Saturday is small, ma'am. And the first letter is small.
The first letter
Letter
should
is-
be capital, ma'am.
Yes. Next. Won't. What is missing here?
Ma'am,
comma after N, ma'am.
Not comma, it's a first of it.
First.
The red fort.
Ma'am, for red, R capital, ma'am. Ma'am, for red,
Even
R
the-
capital.
What about the T?
Ma'am, for that also T capital.
Ma'am, T capital.
Oh, C is not required. The red fort. Only the proper noun should be capital. Next, Diwali. It's the name of the festival.
Ma'am, D capital, ma'am.
B
Yeah.
capital. And D has to be capital.
Yeah, Miss Wilson.
Ma'am, M should be capital. M and W should be capital, ma'am.
M and W. No, yes,
M,
yes.
ma'am,
M and W should be capital.
capital.
Spanish villa.
Ma'am,
Have
S and V
capital,
should be
S
capital.
and
S should be capital, ma'am.
S should be capital. And V should
and
also
we
be
also, ma'am.
Shakespeare. Shakespeare's play.
Ma'am, S should be capital. Ma'am,
And
S
after-
should be capital.
Shakespeare's. Will you write R-E-S?
No, ma'am.
You will
Yes,
write like
ma'am.
this. R-E-apostrophe-S. Sun's rays. Double apostrophe, double quotes is given. Is it correct?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
This you should write. Sun's rays. Sun apostrophe S rays. Again, Maratha's home.
Ma'am, M should be capital.
M should be capital.
Ma'am, M should be capital and H capital, ma'am.
And after
M
A,
should be
apostrophe.
capital and apostrophe S.
Yes. I told you in GK class I will take English, but still only 17 participants turned up. When they will understand, I don't know.
Ma. Completed, ma'am.
No problem, I'll forward. You can do it later.
Completed, ma'am.
No.
Yes. So basically, what are punctuations? Capital letters, marks of punctuation make our writing easier to read. So when we follow perfectly all the punctuation marks and capital letters, commas, apostrophes and all that, it makes for a reader to make it easy for him to read. Let's study more about them. So you all know this. I will quickly study this. When we should use capital letters, whenever we begin the sentence, and whenever the names
And
of
after full stop.
yeah, name of people, places, streets and buildings. And wherever I is used, I should be always capital letter. And titles of works, books, magazines, films and all that. And the months of the year, days of the weeks, always capital. Names of festivals, holidays, capital. Names of rivers, oceans, seas, lakes, Himalayas, mountain ranges, monuments, deserts, and nationalities like Chinese food, Italian cheese, and all that. And to begin with every line of poem, whenever we write a poem, the first letter of the poem should be always capital. So all of you got a brief idea when we should use capital letters.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go to the next topic. Full stop. When we should use full stop? Whenever the sentence ends. A full stop is used at the end of a declarative sentence and an imperative sentence. We have different kinds of sentences. Naina Sai, what are the different kinds of sentences?
Yes, ma'am. Declarative, interrogative, negative, interrogative, affirmative, negative, and
Negative. Oh yeah. Ashit, any more?
yes, ma'am.
Any more sentences?
Imperative, ma'am.
Imperative sentence and exclamatory sentences also, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Oh.
exclamatory.
Exclamatory also correct. So at the end of declarative and imperative, we should use full stop. Whereas we need to use for abbreviation, say 10 a.m., 5 p.m. and all that. Here also we need to use this. Okay. And when we should use comma to separate a list of words or phrases. To separate an introductory word of a sentence. For example, by the way, the picnic has been postponed by the week. And after a noun which addresses someone. Rita, please wait here. When you write a noun and you are talking to her, you need to keep a capital letter. Okay. In between the words spoken by someone and the rest of the sentence. Swimmers with long hair must wear caps, comma, and then said the coach. Sujata cried, wait for me. After that, you observed this in a direct and indirect speech. Did you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
And then when we should use question mark at the end of a question sentence, or just now Naima said interrogative sentence. And when we should use exclamation mark,
Exclamatory sentence.
Manas, when we should use exclamatory mark, Manas? Dheeraj?
Ma'am, we should use exclamation marks.
Ma'am, when we are surprised and the shock, ma'am.
At the end of exclamatory sentence, that is interjections. What are interjections? Hooray! Oh God! Oh my God! All this when we are encountered with
Ma'am, surprising and shock.
surprise and shock, we face with some sudden unexpected things. Then we say that either because of happiness, it may be either of happiness or sad, both. So then we use exclamation mark. And when to use quotation marks? To separate the actual words spoken.
Ma'am, to separate the
Yeah. For example, in the direct speech,
Ma'am, to
your
make the word short. Ma'am, to make the word shorter.
yeah, exact words spoken by the speaker. Your projects must be completed by tomorrow, said the teacher. These are the exact words spoken by the teacher. So we have to enclose with a quotation marks. And when we use apostrophe, see quotation mark starts, there are two quotation marks. One starting quotation mark, ending quotation mark. What is apostrophe? Apostrophe is mainly used to show the belonging. It is Vikram's bag. It is Rita's
Ma'am,
house. So suppose the bag belongs, yeah, bag belongs to Vikram. We say Vikram's bag. That's the reason we need to use apostrophe. Or my friend's brother. So he is the brother of my friend. So my friend's brother is a pilot. And also to show the missing letters, abbreviations. Do you remember? Shouldn't, can't. There also we use apostrophe.
yes, ma'am.
So it's actually it is, can't, cannot, I will, I have. In these places also apostrophe. So what are the different punctuation marks we learn?
Ma'am, to make the word shorter and easier to read.
Yes, when we read fast, we don't spell the entire word. We tend to use short forms. Capital letters, full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark,
Exclamation mark, quotation mark,
all of you,
apostrophe.
all of you repeat in mute mode all these things so that you never forget. Repeat twice. Capital letters, full stops, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, quotation mark, apostrophe. Punctuate these sentences you correctly using capital letters, full stops, commas, apostrophes, inverted commas, question marks, exclamation marks, everything we need to do this. I thought I saw a cat, said Tweety bird.
Ma'am, I should be
Before that, it will come.
Ma'am, after cat, comma should be ma'am. And I thought I saw a cat.
Yeah, here I should be capital because anywhere it is used, it should be capital. I thought I saw a cat. It's a direct speech. So you have to enclose between the quotation marks. After the quotation mark, before the quotation mark, ending quotation mark starts, you need to keep a comma. And then said Tweety bird. It's a proper noun. So Tweety bird. And the sentence should end with a full stop. So many things you need to do in the single sentence. Then Superman's favorite line is up, up and away. Superman, S should be capital. Superman's, after N, it belongs to Superman. So apostrophe. Favorite, no difference. Line is no different. Is. And the Superman favorite line is. Then it is starting the direct words spoken by the speaker. So up, up. In up, up, you should be capital. The beginning letter after the first quotation mark should be capital. And up, up, away. This is something very like a surprise or some strong emotion. That's the reason we are using exclamatory. Very, very important punctuation. I'll be concentrating these the lessons which I told after the FA3 portion. Those things I'll be mainly.
Ma'am, in this punctuation, ma'am means we need to do
Completed.
first letter, capital letter.
Yes. So mainly, let me finish my sentence first. Don't interrupt me. So after FA3, whatever lessons we finish, those things I'll be mainly concentrating for SA2. Because FA3 portion is already.
It is very easy in exam.
Yeah, I already covered for FA3. So after FA3, before SA2, those chapters I will be concentrating. So concentrate on this. I read this.
Ma'am, can the next one?
Yeah, third one. Where is it?
How dare you speak to her like that?
Oh, it's a question. How dare you speak to like her? Head should be capital And simply we put a question mark.
Ma'am, at the last we have to keep the question mark.
That's it. No, not much differences. Only two changes in the sentence. Then cricket may be a national sport of England, but it is very popular in many other countries as well.
Ma'am, cricket,
As well as India.
capital and
And
after
here-
England, comma, after Wales,
Ma'am,
full
we have to be capital, and after England it has to be comma.
comma, and after Wales, full
Full
stop.
stop at the
Ma'am, after well full stop at the ending of the sentence.
here also C should be on. Beginning of the sentence on should be capital. Christmas is a festival, so C should be capital. Jane is the name of a person, so Jane should be capital. And commas on Christmas Day. When Jane woke up in the morning. Again comma. She saw a stocking hanging by the side of her bed. Full stop.
It is very popular in many countries. Ma'am, can you please scroll it little up? Yes, ma'am. But it is very.
Shermani being mute.
Sorry.
All of you are understanding?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in exam, this will be very easy, ma'am.
You think like that, but again you forget few simple things. Okay, then comes when you go to mall, please buy fruits, vegetables, eggs, and butter. So we need to keep commas. For the last thing, before and we need not keep comma. W should be capital. Okay. See here.
Yes, ma'am.
After the mall, please buy fruits, vegetables, eggs.
Ma'am,
In
Any doubt you can ask me.
the
yes, ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, Manas is having a doubt, it seems, ma'am.
So the soldiers have been living. T should be capital. In campus for many months now. Only full stop. Very simple one. Seventh one.
Ma'am, I'm writing the sixth one, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, actually, ma'am, in that punctuation, ma'am, we can write first one I capital letter, ma'am. Then thought, I thought,
Hmm.
thought also first letter we can write capital, ma'am.
Why thought first letter? This is second word.
Okay, ma'am. Then we need to write capital.
Second word, it need not be capital.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next to Mr. Bansal, the principal, Mr. Bansal, M should be capital. Then Bansal, B is small, so B again should be capital, comma, the principal, comma, welcomed us on the first day of the school. Will you write the rest of the things, ma'am? These are the simple rules. Huh? Okay, 9th one I'll explain. 10th to 15th you write on your own. Yeah, the Air India flight. Air India, it's a name of a flight. I mean, what do you call it? Huh? Yeah, it's a name of the flight. So Air India, I should be capital, A should be capital. From London, L is the name of a place, proper noun. So L should be capital. Lands in Delhi, again T should be capital. And 11:55 a.m. AM simply you can't write AM. You need to put A dot M dot. Yeah, next, let's go to the next lesson.
Wait, ma'am, we are writing the 9th, ma'am.
Okay, after 9th you leave. Okay, 10 to 15th you try to understand and write on your own. Anyway, I'll forward, isn't it? Okay. Direct and indirect speech. Yeah. Now, Tej, tell me what is direct and indirect speech?
Hello, ma'am.
What is direct and indirect speech? Indirect speech is also called as reported speech. What are the two things?
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Gagan, can you say what are direct and indirect speech?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Aryan,
Ma'am, can I tell?
see, when I'm asking somebody, you don't say, can I tell, can I tell? I want to give chance to everybody. Aryan,
Ma'am, direct speech means the exact words of the speaker are like
any person, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is indirect speech?
The words of the speaker are reported with necessary changes in tense, time, expressions, and pronouns.
See, you should not read from the book. You should explain in your own words. Okay, anyway, suppose if a person speaks to one person, the second person will be telling to the third person. Okay, A, B, C, first person, second person, third person, we learned, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, in that direct speech is the exact word spoken by one person. What is indirect speech? The person who listens want to tell to the third person that the person A has spoken this. He makes some changes. First of all, he can say the direct words, whatever the first person said, or he can convert the first person dialogues into indirect speech and tell to the third person. Did you understand? Or shall I explain once again? There are three people, imagine. Three people, okay? A, B, and C.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, A speaks to B. Whatever A speaks, is the direct speech. Yeah, Manohar.
Ma'am, it's like if first person said that I went to the mall with my parents
Yes.
and his name Mohit. But the second person told to the third person as Mohit went to the mall. Just suppose
Mohit went. Very
to
good.
the mall.
Very good. If the first person says, I went to the mall with my parents, to Mohit, Mohit says to the third person that the first person, that is maybe Rohit, Rohit went to his mall with his parents. Okay. So now these and take the sentences that show the exact words of the speaker. First one, is it correct or not? Does this sentence shows the exact words of the speaker?
No, ma'am.
Yes, right. The girl said, I like my pet very much.
Yes,
These are the
ma'am.
exact words of the girl. Yeah. Mohit said,
Ma'am,
that
we
he
have
had-
to tick, ma'am.
tick the sentences that show the exact words of the speaker. Second one, Mohit said that he had met Julie at the mall. Is it exact words?
No, ma'am.
Put cross.
No, ma'am.
Rohan said, I will reach home by 8 o'clock.
Correct.
Exact.
Exact word.
Yeah. There is a fly in my soup, cried Priyanka.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, correct.
Correct.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
exact
tick.
words. She said that it was very hot.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
wrong.
exact word.
Ma'am, exact word.
Not exact words. See, the simple way to remember exact words is these quotations will be there. Starting and ending quotation. Then only it is exact words. She said that it was very hot is an indirect speech, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
He said that he was going to watch a play.
No,
Ma'am, not in
no.
direct
Not
speech.
indirect.
Indirect speech. Miss Das said, I have been teaching for 15 years.
Ma'am, indirect speech.
Like,
Direct
Direct
speech.
speech.
direct speech.
Ma'am, hi, my name is Rita. She said, ma'am, this is also direct speech
Direct
only,
speech.
ma'am.
Yes, this is all a direct speech. So 1, 3, 4, 7, 8 are direct speech. Rest of all are in indirect speech.
Ma'am, 1, 3, 4, 7, 8. Complete. Completed, ma'am.
So in direct speech, the exact words of the speaker are quoted. See, they are enclosed. Can you please mute that mobile? Quoted. In indirect speech, the words of the speaker are reported with necessary changes in the tense, time, expressions, and pronouns. Everything is changed in indirect speech. See here, these sentences are in direct speech, filling the missing punctuation marks and use of capital letters wherever is required. Yeah, on Gandhiji's death, Pandit Nehru said, the light has gone out of our lives. We'll write it on the board and write, okay? Then you tell me the changes. I'll write with mistakes.
After Pandit Nehru, there should be a comma.
Yeah, Pandit Nehru said. And then direct speech. So where should be the quotes?
Ma'am,
And the light has gone out of our lives.
And T should be
Ma'am,
Capital.
Capital.
where the quote should end.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
after
after lives.
Yes.
Lives.
What way should I keep?
And full
After-
stop.
Ma'am, should we rewrite the sentence?
No, just keep it, whatever is required.
Ma'am, first we should keep quotation, then after full stop, ma'am.
Yes. See here. First full stop and then quotation.
Ma'am, you wrote first.
Ma'am, but on the board I have kept
Completed, ma'am.
after
On the board I
That's
wrote
true.
wrong, but write this.
Completed, ma'am.
ma'am.
Next, Mahatma Gandhi said, do not use violence.
And after said the
Ma'am said comma and
and
full
double
stop.
quotation marks don't use
Ma'am, P has to be capital.
Yes.
the double
And
P has
quotation
to
violence
be
should end
capital,
with
full
the
Ma'am,
stop,
can
and
you scroll
apostrophe
it
end.
little bit down?
The children on the right screamed, we are having fun. The children on the right screamed, comma,
Screamed
we are having
after
fun.
screamed comma dub.
Yeah, fun. So we are
W have
having
to be-
fun. So, fun we need to keep exclamation because they are expressing some strong, happy emotions. I can't paint an entire day, said Tom. So I should be capital, comma, quotation, said Tom. T should be capital, and after Tom, full stop. Here the teacher said D should be capital. Don't be noisy, full stop. Walk in a straight line. Don't be noisy, walk in a straight line cannot be a single sentence. Walk in a straight line. So W should be again capital. Harshita, Pranavi, please mute. My mother asked, when will you come back home? My mother asked, comma, quotation, when will you come back home? Since it is a question mark, and then close the quotation.
Ma'am, W have to be capital, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, the next two, you do it. Fill in the blanks with the reporting verbs and that to complete the sentence in the reported speech. He said, I can ride a bicycle. See, before learning this, I'll show you.
He said he can ride a bicycle.
See here, that the conjunction that is usually used between reporting verb and the reported speech in the indirect speech. For example, Rahman said, I love music. Simply remove the comma, remove the double quotation marks and just add conjunction that. Rahman said that he loved music. As simple as that. Here also. Ben said, I am happy. Ben said that you can't say I am happy. When Ben is talking to the third person, he should say, Ben said that he was happy.
Ma'am, first one answer is he said that
He said that he could. Can should be converted to could. That's the reason if I tell everything at a time, you won't understand. Why can, could got converted? See here. Where is can?
Ma'am, in that B1, all the answers are said that only, ma'am.
Yeah, same thing. No change. Yeah, he could ride a bicycle. I can play the piano, said Ria. Ria said
Yes,
she
said
could
that
she could play the piano.
piano.
The fox said, I know how to teach the hair lesson. The fox said that he knew how to teach the
How to teach the lesson. Ma'am, all are said that only, right?
yes. But you need to change the tense form which is included in the double quotes. We need to change the tense.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. See, during the exam time, FF4 exam, when I asked for interrogative sentences, only 5 kids put question mark at the end of interrogative sentence. Remaining 25 kids didn't put question mark. I insisted for interrogative, it should end with question mark. Everybody left with simple full stop. Don't make those mistakes again. Now fill in the blanks, change the sentences from direct to simple indirect speech, add reporting verbs that and the correct pronoun. I am sad, said Rita. Can you tell me? Rita said,
Rita said that she was sad. Rita
She
said
was-
that I was
Rita
sad.
said that she
it should be converted to
was sad.
She was sad.
yes. If it is male, it should be he. If it's a female, it should be converted to she. So the correct sentence is Rita said that she was.
Rita said she was sad.
Rita said that she was sad. And pronoun should be correctly changed. Even that should also be added.
Left.
Completed.
Next, the children said, we are tired. The children said that they were.
That they are tired.
They
The
were
children said that
Are will get converted to where?
sad.
Past tense, right? See these rules. If you forget the rules, see this rule. From direct speech to indirect speech, simple present tense will get converted to simple past tense. Present continuous, past continuous. Simple past, present perfect, past perfect to past perfect tense. Okay, here will come there. This will become that. These will become those. You will get used to it. Don't get scared. The more you do the number of sentences, I advise you to pick up some more sentences from the net and try practicing it. The children said that we are tired. The children said that they were tired.
They were tired.
Yes. And the meeting may end. We'll continue in the next class.
Ma'am, tomorrow we are having. Day after tomorrow we are having. Ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.